Hello everyone, I am Preeti Goyal, Assistant Professor at Ashwakara Institute of Rehabilitation Science and Research. Today I will be speaking on the topic of early intervention. Early intervention plays a vital role in identifying and addressing developmental delays in children at the earliest stage of life. Imagine a little boy named Arab who finds it hard to talk to other children, does not like loud noises, and prefer playing alone. Sometimes he flaps his hands when he is excited and gets upset if his routine changes. Arab parents noticed this thing when he was very young. They wanted to help him so he could enjoy life, make friends, and learn new things easily like other children. That's where early intervention come in. Early means starting work with Arab when he is very young, before he is 3 years old. Intervention means giving him special classes, therapies, games, and skills so he can live a happy life. Early intervention is like giving a young plant lots of sunshine, water, and care so it grows healthy and tall. Let's understand in detail what autism is, why early intervention is important, what are the best methods to help, how families can help, and what changes are seen in the lives of such children. What is autism spectrum disorder? Autism spectrum disorder is a condition that make it hard for some children to talk, play and understand other people. ASD affects how children see the world and react to touch, sound and light. Some children with ASD don't talk at all, while others may speak but have trouble making friends or looking at someone's face. Early child with autism is different. For example, some children don't like hugs or may cover their ears and loud sounds. Some repeat the same words or actions again and again. Some have very special interests like memorizing car names or train schedules. Some find it hard to share toys, play games, or tell other how they feel. ASD is called a spectrum because it affects every child differently. Some need a lot of help, some need only a little. Why is early intervention important? Children's brains grow very quickly when they are young, like soft clay that can be shaped easily. So, if children like Arav get the right help early, their brains learn and grow faster. Here's why starting early is important. Faster learning, young brains learn talking, moving, and playing skill more quickly. Better future, early help can make it easier for a child to go to school, make friends, and live better as they grow up. Easier changes, it's easier to learn new things early rather than waiting until the child is older. Happier families learn how to help children and feel less worried. Main goals of early intervention. Early intervention helps children with ASD do better by improving communication, learning to say words, use pictures, or even sign to ask for things, greet people and share feelings, making friends, learning to play with others, take turns and understand feeling like happiness, sadness or anger, learning learning daily life skills like eating, dressing, brushing teeth and using the toilet, reducing problem behaviors, helping children learn new better way to show what they want instead of crying or screaming, helping families, teaching families what to do at home so their child keeps learning everywhere, not just in school. How does early intervention work? The magic toolbox. Early intervention is like a big magical toolbox full of helpful tools and tricks. Teacher, therapists, and parents use these to help children learn. Applied Behavior Analysis ABA. ABA is way to teach in small steps. If a child does something good like saying water when thirsty, they get a reward, maybe a favorite toy or a clap. These steps are repeated many times a day. Some ABA methods use games or natural association, not only classroom drills. Parents also learn to use ABA at home, so the child practice everywhere. Common ABA methods: discrete trial training DTT, skills broken into small pieces taught one by one. Pivotal response training PRT focuses on important skills like starting a conversation or making eye contact. Incidental teaching uses everyday play or routines to teach, such as naming objects while playing with blocks. Learning through play DIR flow time. Children learn best when they play in DIR flow time. Adults join in the child's game and help them understand. Feelings, share, smiles, and take turns. The child leads and the adult flows, making it gentle and fun. Through these play sessions, children learn to connect it with others, pretend, and build relationships, communication tools, and therapies. Some children with ASD do not speak. They may use picture exchange communication system to give a picture of juice if they want juice. Others may use special computers, boards, or devices to say words. Speech therapists help teach sounds, words, and sentences and may also help with understanding instructions. Social stories, simple stories that explain what will happen and how to act in different places, like visiting the doctor or riding a bus, video modeling, watching video to learn what to do, like greeting a friend, asking for help, or waiting in line. Sensory integration therapy. Many children with ASD are bothered by loud noises, bright lights, or itchy tags on clothes. Therapists design sensory diets with special activities like swing, listening to soft music playing, with scent to help children feel calm and focused. Some children use weighted blankets or weights to help them feel safe and steady. Classrooms and homes are set up with quiet spaces and soft lights. Play based and music therapy. Play therapists use toys, games, and fun to help children learn new skills. Let's Play blocks can teach sharing or color naming. Music therapists use singing, playing drums, or listening to music to help children follow instructions, make eye contact, and express feelings. What happened during early intervention? Communication and language skills. Children learn to ask for what they need answer, simple question, and understand what others say. They learn using picture, sounds, sign, and action. Social skills. Children are taught to make eye contact, wait for their turn, say hello, and join games or activities with other children. They also learn to notice if someone is happy, sad, or angry. Behavior. If a child gets angry or throw things when they don't get what they want, therapists teach better ways like using words, showing a picture, or asking for help. Daily life skills. They practice brushing teeth, eating with a spoon, dressing, washing hands, and using the toilet so they can be more independent. Cognitive skills. Children learn to pay attention, remember simple things, match shapes, and solve little problems. Sensory processing. Spatial activities or objects help children handle bright lights, soft noises, and different touches, helping them feel relaxed and ready to learn. Where does early intervention happen? At home. Therapists visit homes and teach parents how to help doing daily routine like snack time, bath time, or playtime. At the special centers, children may go to centers with teachers and therapists, meet other children, and join group activities. At school or preschool, sometimes children join classes with everyone else and get extra help. In the community, learning happens everywhere at parks, shops, and playgrounds too. Early intervention often happens for 15 to 40 hours a week. This can be split between home, school, and centers. The role of family and caregivers. Families are superheroes in early intervention. They practice new skill at home, join team meetings with teachers and therapists, share what works best for their child, or if something makes the child unhappy, get idea and training about fun games and claiming tricks, find other families for sports and friendship. For example, Araf mom learned how to use picture card and breakfast and plays. Simple games to practice. Taking turns. Araf's dad helps by building routine like singing a song before birth, trying to make daily life predictable and safe. The entire family cheers together when Araf says new word or waves bye for the first time. Signs that early intervention is working. After some months or a year of early intervention, children talk more, point to what they want, or use picture to ask for things. They join new games, share toys, and simple with family and friends. Families say daily routines get easier, favor meltdowns, and happier day to day life. Children learn new self help skills. Tasks like eating, getting dressed, and washing hands become simpler. Some children may go to regular schools and do all activities with other children. Many studies say that early intervention means more fun, more friendships, and a better futures. Challenging and what to do sometimes they are problem like it is hard to find trained helpers and therapists in some places. Some children need very special teaching or care. Each child learns at their own speed and families may need to wait and be patient. Early intervention needs teamwork, families, teachers, doctor and therapists all working together. Sometimes it can be expensive or school may not understand the needs of these children. If any problem comes up, family can talk to more doctors, teachers or local health centers. Find outline Find online groups or connected with other parents facing the same problems. Be patient and celebrate each small step forward. Example of a day with early intervention. Let's look at Arav's day. First, morning Arav wake up. His mom uses a picture schedule to show what's coming next. Breakfast, playtime, getting dressed, etc. Arav feels calm becomes because he know the plan. Breakfast, his mom says juice and wait for Arav to say it or show the juice card. She claps and gives him juice when he tries. Playtime. The therapist visit. They play with cards. Teaching Arav to say go and stop Arav. Learn to look at the therapist when she says ready, set, go. Park Arav tries climbing, running, and waiting his turn on the slide. He plays with another child and practices waving hello and goodbye. Bath time. That sign, that sign a song so Arav know what is the happening next and feel secure. Evening reading a simple story together, practicing naming animal and saying good night. What signs say about early intervention? Early intervention can help children with ASD increase their IQ and language skills. Some children grow up to life almost like children who do not have ASD going to school, making friends and learning new things easily. The earlier you start, the better the results. I hope you understand this topic. For more such topic, please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.